In this video, I will show you how to make a hem with a self-fringing edge. You will need a piece of linen fabric, sharp scissors, embroidery thread, needles, a marking tool and a ruler. Start by measuring the length of the fringe. Then, pull 3 threads on each mark. This will create a guidance for our hem stitching. Pull the threads carefully and try not to damage the fabric. After all the threads are pulled, thread your needle and start stitching. Leave a loose end that we will secure at the end. Pass your needle under 5 or 6 threads. Then wrap them with the thread and push the needle back to the fabric 2 threads below. Come up after 5 threads and wrap them again. Repeat this movement of wrapping the threads and passing the needle in the fabric. After each wrap, pull your thread tight to gather the threads together. When you get closer to the corner, count your threads so you have equal stitches at the end. When you stitch on the corner, try to maintain the same tension and make equal stitches on both sides. Continue stitching around, and finally you will reach the starting point. Secure the starting thread under the stitches. After you make the last stitch, make a loop and secure the thread in the loop. Then pass the needle under the stitches so the thread is secure. Then you can cut both ends, starting and ending threads. Now it's time to make a fringe. Remove the threads from the edge and pull them away. Address one row after another until you will reach the final thread. Remove the threads from all four sides of the napkin and you will have a fringe. After all threads are removed, you can trim the fringe and press the final work.